Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to talk about Crypto Secret 101, Wall Street Lies. Well, Wall Street guys have been calling Bitcoin a fraud, a Ponzi scheme, hype, noise, confusion. Christian Lagarde, crypto is worth nothing. Charlie Munger said it's good for kidnappers. Is it for real? Or are they lying to you? Let's examine it. BlackRock. As you know, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager in the world with AUM, assets under management, of 10 plus trillion dollars. Their clients include sovereign uh, funds and pension funds and central banks around the world. So they announced to offer Bitcoin investing to big institutional clients. I thought that it was Bitcoin futures contract, but it was not. It's a spot Bitcoin private trust, just like Grayscale Trust, and they are offering Bitcoin Trust for direct crypto exposure to its glamorous clients, institutional investors. And BlackRock introduces blockchain ETFs in European countries. It invested into 35 blockchain related companies. It includes Coinbase USDC and Block, previously Square, and Bitcoin mining companies as Marathon Digital Holdings and Riot Blockchain. The reason why they are providing ETFs for the its line of investors around the world is those traditional institutional investors are not that familiar with crypto assets, and its price volatility is huge, so enormously huge that they are kind of inclined to invest a huge amount of money in those stakes of those certain companies rather than crypto directly itself. So they are also BlackRock is working on another ETF called Metaverse. They are preparing for lots of ETF funds to its clients. Well, BlackRock partnered with Coinbase to give institutional clients access to Bitcoin. And they are now just only offer Bitcoin to its institutional clients, but more crypto assets might be added in the future. Is very, very important because not only Bitcoin, but Ethereum, Chainlink, Polygon, maybe XRP in the years to come, they will be sold by the BlackRock and Coinbase to the largest banking companies, pension funds, sovereign funds around the world. So it's a huge thing. BlackRock, well, they handled USDC Circle's cash reserves as part of $400 million funding round. Well, Circle projects $438 million in revenue from its USDC stablecoin reserves this year, and next year it will be $2.2 billion. It's a whooping revenue for sure. Just remembering that the stablecoin has its collateral, which consists of U.S. Treasury bill, 80% and 20% of US dollars. So they have the passive income just holding 2-year US Treasury bill, and they have custody service fee on that and other services, maybe and other investments. I don't know, but BlackRock is doing this, investing and handle those cash reserves for various purposes in the years to come. USDC reserves will be custodied with BNY Mellon. It was released on April 1st this year, but BlackRock just stole BNY Mellon's client Circle because BlackRock invested huge into Circle. Fidelity. Well, Fidelity is second to none in the crypto space. Uh, they just initiate the crypto business so early, even in the years that nobody has ever heard about the crypto and Bitcoin. Well, let's see. On their website, Fidelity provides crypto trading as well as Fidelity ETFs. ETFs. So multiple dozens of ETFs around the world. Well, there are so many digital assets ETFs, so you can compare those and make your pick. That's what they mentioned. And in 2014, Fidelity began mining Bitcoin. In 2018, they launched the first ever crypto service company named Fidelity Digital Assets. And in 2022, Fidelity announced the first ever product that allows employers to let each employees invest a portion of their retirement savings in Bitcoin through their 401k plan. They're doing this despite there's no US senators and the labor departments. They're asking, pressured Fidelity to reconsider Bitcoin 401k offerings because of FTX, because of Terra Luna, because of so many volatility, but they are just ignoring and doing it. They don't care. Fidelity does the thing and will be providing 401k with Bitcoin options. Well, Fidelity is already opened the zero fee retail crypto trading. It opened the wait list a month ago, and now it opened its retail Bitcoin trading accounts. This means Fidelity is on crypto exchange now, competing against Binance, Coinbase, the major Huobi, those kinds of mega multinational crypto exchanges, which is huge. USDC builder Circle raised $440 million last year. Fidelity invested $440 million a year ahead of BlackRock. And this year, on April 12th, BlackRock and Fidelity backed stablecoin firm Circle in $400 million funding round again. Fidelity again invested another $400 million into Circle. Here we can assume that BlackRock and Fidelity tries to become the next Federal Reserve of digital assets and digital currencies, because they are investing huge into the Circle. Just let's see. BlackRock to explore capital market applications for USDC. This means they can do whatever they can do with their USDC: lending, borrowing, remittance, DeFi, and Forex, and there's securities, bonds, and everything. They can do whatsoever with USDC. That's why they have invested into Circle. Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is, comparatively speaking, less known other than Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan, but their AUM is more than $8 trillion. It is the largest, seventh largest banking institutions in the United States. The largest stock brokerage firms by assets under management. Charles Schwab is superior to Fidelity, Bank of America, and JP Morgan. Stock brokerage firms by average assets per client is Charles Schwab is superior, the best in terms of average assets per client. And they are prepping its first crypto product because BlackRock, because Fidelity, and other big name firms already, not only just prepared but just launched crypto trading platforms, funds, ETFs. So they followed. They're catching up right now. They're launching Schwab Crypto Economy ETF, a vehicle that tracks equities engaged in the world of digital assets. Well, its crypto ETF was launched and listed on New York Stock Exchange. The thing is, in 2019, Charles Schwab CEO was dismissive of crypto, calling it too speculative. In 2019, meanwhile, Fidelity has just been granted a charter to operate its Fidelity Digital Asset Services. They launched its crypto focused company, and at the start of 2022, Schwab's Bettina told the Dallas Morning News that he thinks there's a tremendous void in crypto for his firm. At around the same time, Fidelity became the first firm to allow employees to invest up to 20% of their 401k accounts in Bitcoin. So Charles Schwab, Citadel, and Fidelity launch EDX, the crypto exchange, in September 14th of this year. This means they're gathering up the Wall Street guys, Wall Street Avengers, are exerting themselves to create a whole new, different, brand new crypto exchange. Not only Citadel, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity, here comes Paradigm, Sequoia Capital, and Virtue Financial. It will serve both institutions and retail investors, giving them a safe entry point to crypto. They're competing against Binance, Coinbase, those Gemini, and those world-class exchanges. Wall Street guys are launching crypto exchanges right now. So, Schwab study says they gave a survey or whatsoever. Nearly half of young people, MZ generation, they said they wish they could invest in crypto via their 401k, but they couldn't. So they are eager to do so. That's why Schwab launched its crypto exchange, launched this crypto themed ETF, and everything. They're doing everything they can do. They can do to catch up those needs. Here's a part one and part two to be continued. Thank you for watching.